Hello, this is Miss Bass with another video. We were talking about things that people like to do and like ¿qué te gusta hacer? And we did our practice in those about activities. So you say me gusta correr, no me gusta correr, me gusta bailar y cantar, no me gusta ni bailar ni cantar. Or you also can say, ¿qué te gusta más? What do you prefer? ¿Qué te gusta más? Ver la tele o jugar videojuegos. So we were doing just some activities on that. Now we're going to talk about what are people like according to the things that they like. So let's just really quickly, let's go to, this is the infinitives. Right here is infinitives. Let's see how fast it's gonna play. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there loading a little bit. It's loading right here. So this is about infinitives, just a quick review. I'm gonna pause while it loads a little bit and then we just continue. Now, it's loaded. So this is just a reminder of our lesson.
Infinitive and beyond.
When you look for Spanish verbs in the dictionary, they are in the infinitive form. This is the most basic form. Infinitives always end in AR, ER, or IR.
And now 10 seconds of AR verbs.
Jugar is an AR verb that means to play. Usar means to use. Hablar means to talk. Escuchar means to listen. Tocar means to touch or play an instrument. Dibujar means to draw. Cantar means to sing. Bailar means to dance. Trabajar means to work. And nadar means to swim.
So do all verbs end in AR? No. There are also verbs that end in ER, like correr, which means to run, and verbs that end in IR, like escribir, which means to write.
It's a verb. It's a play. It's a quiz.
What is the word that tells you what is happening in a sentence?
Answer your question.
The word that tells you what is happening in a sentence is called the verb.
You say the verb is right.
In what form are Spanish verbs found in the dictionary?
Answer your question.
Spanish verbs are found in the infinitive form.
If you say infinitive form, you're right.
What are the three types of infinitives?
I bet you remember that.
The three types of infinitives are AR, ER, and IR.
AR, ER, and IR. Okay, so that was our first video. And then we actually had 2 more videos, but I'm not gonna load them because it takes forever. And the other one is about the negatives, and it's when you say no me gusta instead of me gusta. We're talking about me gusta hablar por teléfono, no me gusta hablar por teléfono, me gusta nadar, no me gusta nadar. So it's the negative, and then the practice that we did with the nini that I explained you last week. So now we're going to the next chapter, and the next chapter is going to talk about what are people like according to what to the things that they like or they don't like to do. For example, a person that likes to sing and to draw and to dance, they are very artistic. So that's what we're going to be doing now. For that, we're going to need our vocabulary 3 that, as you already know, you will find in your Canvas page. Just scroll down to the section, section 8, and you can find your vocabulary 3 right here. In your vocabulary 3, you're going to find adjectives. So they describe people things that you need to have in mind And let's see if I can load that specific gramática. ¿Dónde está? Aquí. All right. I'm going to load this one and I'll be back. Okay, it's loaded now and it's about the adjective. So this is what you're going to use, and these are things that you need to pay attention when you're completing your activities. Okay?
Are you artistic, athletic, funny, smart, or talented? You should use some adjectives and let the world know. Here's how it works.
Nouns are things. Cat's a noun, dog's a noun, Arizona is a noun, a bus is a noun, and the artist formerly known as Prince is a noun. But let's face it, some nouns are boring on their own. That's why we created adjectives, to pick it up a notch. Bam! Adjectives describe nouns in more detail. So now we have big cat is mad dog, and Arizona is really, really hot. In English, you usually place adjectives in front of the noun they describe, like she's a smart student. In Spanish, the adjectives usually come after the nouns.
For example, if a female student is intelligent, you might say una estudiante inteligente, and a patient young man would be un chico paciente.
In Spanish, every noun has a gender. Your eyes, for example, are masculine, but your head is feminine, and the telephone is masculine.
Okay, I made a mistake. I stopped the wrong thing. It's confusing sometimes. But I just wanted to make a little pause here so you know why things are masculine and feminine. So they're saying nouns are either masculine or feminine, okay? And it is easier to find out what is masculine and what is feminine with human beings or with animals, you know, like living things. But determining when is masculine, when a thing is masculine, feminine, like a table or a chair or a door or I don't know. You just need to learn it. That's the way we learn Spanish, and that's the you learn Spanish. The way you learn Spanish. So, for example, if you're going to talk about the desk is masculine. And something that is going to help you with that is most nouns that end in O are masculine, and most nouns that end in A are feminine. Not all, but most of them. That's something that helps. And then the other thing that's going to help you is, for example, when they have an article before, article like the, but in Spanish it will be el or la. So if it's el, it's masculine, and if it's la, will be feminine. Okay, now we can continue with this.
When you use an adjective, you have to use the masculine form in Spanish with masculine nouns, and the feminine form with feminine nouns.
You say graciosa, I say gracioso. You say artística, I say artístico. Ordenada, ordenado, talentosa.
Nada talentoso.
Okay, so what they are telling us is the adjectives had to match the noun. If the noun is masculine, your adjective has to be masculine. Means that you have your list of adjectives, and let's go back here. You see the list of adjectives. These adjectives that end in O and have the option to change to A. So that means that if it's a boy, you use the O, and if it's a girl, you use the A. Okay? Back to the video.
All you have to do is match them together. Chica.
Answer your question. Pick your choice.
Amigo.
Pick your choice. It's masculine.
Reservado. Remember that in Spanish, the adjective usually goes after the noun. It's as simple as that.
You say paciente, I say paciente. You say inteligente, I say inteligente. Impaciente, impaciente. I don't get it.
Not all adjectives have masculine and feminine forms. Adjectives that end in A describe either gender. Chico impaciente y chica impaciente. Un chico inteligente y una chica inteligente.
But wait, there's more! Some adjectives are convertible. If it ends in OR, like trabajador, it's a masculine adjective. To make it feminine, just add an A to the end, like this. Un chico trabajador y una chica trabajadora.
Let's review.
Okay, back to our vocabulary. So you see this that don't have a different option like deportista. That means that it's the same for both masculine and feminine. Impaciente, inteligente, paciente, which one? Sociable. And then here's the convertible that he was talking about, trabajador, and instead of ending OR, it's going to end in ORA. Okay? So have that in mind when you complete your activities.
Which of these words are masculine? Which of these are feminine? And which ones do not indicate any gender?
Well, we are not going to go all the way to the end of this video because we probably need just to start concluding our video because it's getting long. But as you see, paciente, impaciente, inteligente, they are adjectives that you use for both. And then you find the feminine, the ones that end in A, right here in this list. And then the masculine, the ones that end in O in this list. Okay? All right. So that's your explanation for today. And you're going to have some pages in realidades that you're going to be working on. So we're going to use the same methodology that we have been using. I'm going to write the list of activities you have to complete. And if you have any questions, you just need to let me know, email me, and I'll be helping you. I hope you do really good, and I want to hear from you pretty soon. Have a great day. Bye.